Hello young scholars, in this video we will see how to use factor theorem to determine if the given binomial is a factor of f of x. Next, we will write f of x in linear factored form. As you can see, we have f of x, we have x plus 4, and we have x minus 3. Let's start with f of x. As you can see, f of x is made of x cubed, x, and a constant term. We are just missing x squared, so we have to rewrite it as if we're having x squared with a constant term of 0. Next, we shall take x plus 4 and set x plus 4 equals to 0 in order to find the number. Solving x plus 4 equals 0, we'll get x equals negative 4. Using synthetic division, we can use negative 4, and we're going to use each coefficient in f of x, which are 1, 0, negative 13, and 12. Next, when doing synthetic division, remember that when going down, you have to add. So 1 plus nothing is equivalent to 1. After that, going diagonally, we have to multiply. So 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Again, we add 0 plus negative 4 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4, that would be positive 16. Now, 16 minus 13 is a 3. Multiply again for the last time. That's negative 12, and if you add them, that's 0. So as you can see, the remainder is 0, which means x equals negative 4 is a 0 of f of x. In other words, f of negative 4 equals to 0. We can also say x plus 4 is a factor of f of x. Now keep in mind, if one of the statements is true, then all the 4 statements are also true. F of x equals the factor we just found, which is x plus 4, and then we have 1x squared, we're rewriting the quotient now, negative 4x plus 3. Now on the other hand, we need to try with x minus 3. For x minus 3, we need to set it equal to 0. For x minus 3, we need to set it equal to 0. And once solving, x is going to be 3. So we're going to use 3 in synthetic division. Now, we don't have to take the coefficients of f of x. Instead, we can use the coefficients of the quotient, which are 1, negative 4, and 3. We can start our synthetic division. As usual, the first coefficient drops down. Then 3 times 1 is 3. Now negative 4 plus 3, that would be negative 1. Then 3 times negative 1, that's going to be negative 3. Adding the last two will have a result of 0. Again, as we said before, the remainder is 0, which means x equals 3 is a 0 of f of x. F of 3 equals to 0, and x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Now, rewrite f of x, which we started by saying it's x plus 4, and then we factorize the quotient we had in x squared minus 4x plus 3. So that would be x minus 3 into the new quotient, which is 1x minus 1. So now we're writing f of x in linear factored form, which is our final answer. Thank you for watching.